Okay guys, welcome again to another reviews and relax build, and this time it's a final battle version of Gundam Harute. So just like what I'm saying, always check for the loosened parts that already detached from the runners, and you might accidentally throw it together with the plastic. So be very careful of that. Okay, let's start opening it one by one. So this is what I'm talking about. See this one? It's loosened parts from the runner, so be very careful of that, because sometimes you wanna throw it right away, the plastics, but you might not notice that there's still parts, that there's parts inside of it. So again, I found another one here. See? So be very careful of that. And overall, it has 22 runners plus 10 clear sticks for the flying armor effect. And before I forgot, it also has a manual included. I already experienced some bootleg manuals are not included, but it is available on their website, and you can print it, you can download it, and you can print it. So we're done assembling the Harute. By the way, it has 10 of these, and yet I'm only able to install 3. And here's the others. It's 10 pieces. So I'm still thinking how to put the others. I do buy sometimes to think so that it will comes out nicely. Well, you will see here at the manual, like, I don't know if you can see it on the video. See, there's a lock in here, there's a lock here on the manual, but on the actual parts, see, there's nothing, there's no lock, totally no lock at all. It is totally clean. It's up to you guys. What are you going to do with this? I think it's not a big deal to have without the locks. That lock are supposed to be here. I don't know, maybe just to stop this one from spinning or from moving, I guess. And we will see after we finish assembling this kit if there will be if there's going to be a problem because of that missing lock showing on the manual. And I guess this is a battery here, and it's written in Chinese, so I don't know if someone could comment what is written here. And I think this is a battery with LED lights, so unfortunately it is not included in this kit, so I think you need to buy it separately. And it does turn for on and off function. Well, for me, maybe I'm not going to put LED here because I'm not really a fan of LED on the kit, because once I put the kit on the display stand or on my cabinet, it will be there forever. I don't have to touch it, or I don't wanna move any other parts. Once I pose it, that's it. I can say overall it's good. By the way, I don't remember encountering a problem assembling it. By the way, it's a Harute by Habistar. So Habistar is a bit expensive compared to the other bootleg or compared to the other knockoff Gundams. But when it comes to like the molds, the detailed are very nice. You can compare it to the Bandai products. Yeah, it's nice. It cost me $23 for this kit. In my opinion, only it's like Habistar only focusing on kit in 00 Gundam. Yeah, that's what I've noticed. So I don't know. You could comment what Habistar still have to offer. And like Daban, if you would notice Daban, they have a wide range of different knockoff Gundam kit. I'll make a separate video of weathering the kit, put on the stickers, panel lining. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the videos.